Just pay attention. This is blocking your face. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Vera, and today I have a special guest here with me. It's my mommy. Come here, come. And my mom is not only my best friend, but she's also the best cook out there. Not only that, but she's the best baker. And everyone says so. And she said she doesn't want to do the talking in this video because she's shy. So I'll be doing the talking and she'll be doing the doing, and that's that. So let's get into it. What are we making today?
Cinnamon roll.
Cinnamon rolls.
Yeah.
Okay, we're making cinnamon rolls. Homemade. First, we're gonna start with flour. Let me move this closer to you. Yeah. All right. So 2 cups of flour.
2 cups of flour.
In your mixer.
1.
That was 1. Let me move this.
2. Okay.
Yeast.
2 tablespoons yeast.
Okay, 2 tablespoons of yeast. Mix with the flour. 2 tablespoons of
Powdered milk.
powdered milk.
Like 2.5 or 3 tablespoons of sugar.
Sugar. Okay. While that's mixing, we're gonna add, what is that?
Warm water.
Warm water. 2 cups of warm water.
Yeah.
Make sure it's warm, not too hot because it'll ruin the dough.
Yeah.
And we're mixing it on low right now. It's not sped up too high. So now that we mixed it, we're gonna cover it for 10 minutes.
10 minutes, yeah.
Cover it up.
Yes. Then
If you have plastic wrap, you can use that, but I don't have any. So we're just using
that's it.
a kitchen towel. And now we're gonna wait 10 minutes and we'll be right back. Yeah, that's it. Okay. So now that it's been 10 minutes, the dough has rise.
Yeah.
I don't know the
That's
terminology,
yeah.
but now it's like pretty fluffy. I don't know if you guys can see. I really should have a second camera here, but okay, we're not that professional yet. So now we're gonna put it in the mixer. And we changed it to this attachment, which is for the dough.
The dough, yeah.
Okay, explain what this is. This is, she said, this is her secret thing that she does.
What's my secret thing?
It's basically a helper for your dough, and it keeps your dough super soft.
Yes. 1/2 cup of water.
Oh, water. I don't know why I
2
put
tablespoons
flour.
of flour.
Hold on, you're not letting me explain. I have to explain if they're gonna do this at
Oh,
home.
don't
In order to create that mixture, you have to put it on heat until you get that gooey texture. So
Gooey.
1/2 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of flour, put it on heat until you get that gooey jelly texture, and then you're good to go. So we just added that. Now we're adding about a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of vanilla, whatever you have. We clearly don't have any, so so we're squeezing whatever we can out of that. 1/2 cup of butter. Make sure it's at room temperature. It's very important. 2.5 cups.
I don't know.
She
Let's
says
see.
2.5 cups
It
to
depends.
3.
I don't know.
It depends on
Yeah,
how the
okay.
dough is looking to
I
her.
put it like.
Ah!
Put it like 10 minutes.
Okay.
And we're gonna clean up.
And then we'll be right back.
Yes. Okay. See you guys. That's it.
Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes. The dough is ready. Make sure you put it on a clean surface. We definitely cleaned this area before we did this. Put some flour.
Not too much.
On the counter, not too much, just a little bit, a little sprinkle, you know. So I've actually, now that I'm pregnant, by the way, if you didn't notice, I'm pregnant. I'm like so pregnant. Now that I'm pregnant, I've actually
You're so pregnant.
I've been craving cinnamon rolls from Cinnabon, But obviously, since we've been quarantined, I haven't been able to get it. So we decided to just make it. And my mom makes really good cinnamon rolls. So I'm so excited.
Okay.
I'm just working so hard right now. So we spread out the dough. It's a nice big rectangle right now.
Then we'll put
We're gonna add butter or
butter.
I can make it for you. So ever since I was little, my mom basically would bake every other day. There's always like a dessert in the house. Every other day there's a new dessert in the house. So we literally grew up on desserts. And that's just what we're used to, I guess.
Room temperature.
We're spreading the butter. Make sure it's unsalted butter, obviously.
Unsalted, yeah.
Hi there, madam.
Sorry,
madam.
That's it, yeah.
God, this is gonna be so good. No, now we're gonna do brown sugar.
Yes.
How much would you say this is?
Like
2 cups? This looks like a lot.
Cup and a half, maybe.
Oh yeah, maybe a cup and a half. Okay.
I don't know.
So clearly, we don't do measurements around here, okay? Because she's like a professional.
No, I'm not professional.
She is. And she just goes with the
Professional
flow
to you.
and sees what it needs and she adds along. This is about a cup and a half.
I don't know.
Should I just dump it? All of it?
No. Like,
Sprinkle?
yeah, sprinkle.
It's cinnamon time. We're gonna sprinkle some cinnamon on this. Not some, a lot, right?
A lot.
Again, we're not measuring over here. So tell me when.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
Like this.
No.
This is how arm workout. Give me the flavor.
You should have to.
Alright, so now we have our pan with some parchment paper on it, and we're gonna start cutting up the rolls. I have
Perfect, huh?
flour on my belly.
Me too.
We're gonna just let the rolls sit for a little bit before we put them in the oven to bake. Just let them rise a little more in the pan, and then once you feel like they fluffed up a little bit, you can go ahead and put them in the oven at 350 and just wait for it to brown. That's how we know to take it out. But I'll let you guys know how long ours will take. In the meantime, we're making the frosting.
Cheese.
Cream cheese.
Cream cheese. Philadelphia.
Philadelphia cream cheese.
Mascarpone.
This is the one we like. And half a cup of butter, unsalted. And what's this called? Powdered sugar.
Powdered sugar.
So we actually ended up baking it at 400 for about 30 minutes, and then we broiled it for, we didn't broil it.
A little bit.
We broiled it for
5 minutes.
Yeah, for a little bit, just to get a little browning on top. And now we're going to frost them. You guys, I wish you could smell my house right now, because it smells like, you know when you walk by Cinnabon at the mall? That's what it smells like, right? So perfect. Oh my god, you guys, look at that.
شوفوا بعدين لك شو خفيفة.
Why are you touching my plate?
لا أنا فيرا دايما قولي فيرا.
So good.
شفتي كيف فلافي؟
Alright you guys, thank you so much for tuning in. We hope you liked watching us bake today. We definitely plan on doing more videos, right?
Of course.
we're planning on doing more videos like this if you guys like them. Let us know down below what you'd like to see next from us, and we'll see you next time.